Do you want to speak English like Americans do? Today, we are learning 20 real American phrases you'll hear all the time. Hello everyone, welcome back to Top LINGO. These phrases are natural, useful and great for daily conversations. Let's begin and speak English with confidence. Phrase 1. What's up? Meaning, how are you? What's happening? Example, hey, what's up? Number 2, not much. Meaning, nothing special. Example, what's up? Not much. Number 3, no worries. Meaning, it's okay. Example, no worries. Take your time. Number 4, you got it. Meaning, okay, I will do it. Example, can you help me? You got it. Number 5, all good. Meaning, everything is okay. Example, is everything okay? Yeah, all good. Number 6, sounds good. Meaning, I agree. Number 7, let me check. Meaning, give me a moment. Number 8, I'll get back to you. Meaning, I will answer later. Number 9, I'm on it. Meaning, I'm doing it right now. Number 10, good to go. Meaning, ready. Example, are we ready? Yep, good to go. Daily life. Hold on. Meaning, wait a moment. Number 12, take it easy. Meaning, relax, calm down. Number 13, my bad. Meaning, my mistake. Number 14, no way. Meaning, really? I can't believe it. Number 15, for sure. Meaning, definitely, yes. Example, do you want coffee? For sure. Next topic is friendly expressions. Number 16, catch you later. Meaning, see you later. Number 17, I'm on my way. Meaning, I'm coming. Number 18, hang on. Meaning, wait. Short form for hold on. Number 19, same here. Meaning, me too. Number 20, let's do it. Meaning, I'm ready. Okay, let's start. Pronunciation practice. Repeat after me. What's up? Sounds good. My bad. For sure. Catch you later. Let's do it. Say them with an American rhythm. Short, quick, and relaxed. Mini speaking practice. Answer the questions using the phrases. Question. How are you today? Possible answers. All good? Not much? Take it easy? For sure. Write your answer in the comments using at least 2 new phrases. Thanks for watching Top LINGO. If you want part 2 of Speak Like Americans, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend or a colleague. See you soon.